What letter is this, Miggy? What letter is that? That's
A.
A. That's the letter A. What is the sound of letter A? Ito pa, oh. Not yet done. What's the sound of letter A?
Letter A.
What's the sound of letter A? Say ah.
Ah.
Again.
Letter A. Ah.
Good job. Like apple.
Like apple.
This one, what's this?
Like ant.
How about this one?
Like dragon.
It's not a dragon, it's alligator. You say alligator.
Alligator.
Good job. How about this one? What's this?
Airplane.
Good job. And this one, what letter is this?
A.
What's the sound of letter A?
Letter A.
Good sound. Ah.
Sound A.
Good job. Like apple.
Apple.
Ant.
Ant.
Alligator.
Alligator.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Letter.
Sasakay ka sa airplane eh.
Oh, what letter is this? Letter.
Letter A.
Sound ng letter A.
Ah!
Good job. Okay. Trace tayo, trace. Oh, how do you trace this one? Follow mama, ha? 1, 2, 3. Oh, ikaw nga. Again. 1.
One.
This one. Ito muna.
One.
1. Look at the arrow. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ito nga. Arrow down. Itong right hand. Not the left hand. Yung pababang ganun, no? Pababa. 1. Right finger. Ito, ganyan. 1.
One.
Okay.
Three.
2,
Three.
3. Again. Last. 1.
One.
Dito. 1, 2, 3. Ito nga. Tingnan ko nga. Dali, bibigyan kita nito, oh.
Mama. Saan ba?
Ayan, oh.
Ubus ko na.
Not yet.
Mama,
1.
kayo mo sa akin.
Finish mo muna yan.
Akin to?
Oo, 1.
Wala si uno.
Meron. O, dali. Listen to mama. 1,
One.
2, 2.
Three.
What letter is that?
A.
What's the sound of letter A?
Letter A.
Good job. It's A.
Down.
Oh, this is. How about the small letter A?
Okay.
What's this?
What is
Letter A. What is the sound of A?
A?
Ah, what's this?
Apple.
This one.
Ant.
This one. Alligator.
Alligator.
And this one?
Airplane.
This one.
Letter A.
What's the sound of letter A?
Letter A something. V.
Not va. What's the sound of letter A? Ah.
A.
Again, what's the sound of letter A?
Mama. Gusto ko to.
Ah. Last one. What's the sound of letter A? Good job. Okay, trace. So, katamas finger, ah. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, ayun yung arrow. 1, 2. Oh, doon mo gawin. Ikaw. Sagutan mo din to. Letter A. What's this letter? What letter is this?
A.
What's the sound of letter A? Ah. Arrow down. Arrow down. Okay. Gayam dito. Wala kang Kinder Joy. When you play, you don't have Kinder Joy.
I don't play.
Oh, you don't play. You write.
Okay.
Oh, not like that. You write. 1,
Oy.
2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ikaw nga dyan. 1, 2. 1, 2. Again. What letter is that?
Letter A.
What's the sound of A?
Ah.
Good job. Trace. Again. 1, 2. Dali, nag-wait sa'yo si Kinder Joy, oh. Sabi, open mo daw siya, oh. Trace. 1, 2. Go.
Sabi ng Kinder Joy, how?
Yes.
Tatakot yung Kinder Joy sa baba?
Yeah. Okay.
Mensay?
Yeah. Trace. Not color, Mickey. Trace.
Ma,
Trace.
ma, lukot ka. Ma.
Trace.
Thank you.
What letter is that, Mickey?
Ano ba gusto mo?
What is that letter? Good job, Kuya Uno. What letter is this, Mickey?
Letter A.
What's the sound of letter A?
Letter A.
Good job. Ito kay Kuya Uno. Ito kay Miggy. Okay. Miggy, trace the small letter A. Small letter A. Good job si Miggy. One, two. Okay. Trace. 1, 2. Yan, no?
1, 2.
Good job. 1, 2. Look at mama. Look at mama. Look at this, oh. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh. This one naman, Miggy. Oh. Okay, 1, 2. Delete. 1, 2. Go, Miggy.
Tapos na ako.
Wala kang Kinder Joy.
Sorry po. Mama, kaya ko na. Laki na ako eh. Ba't small ako? Hindi kaya ko. Laki na ako, kaya ko.
Oh, sige. What letter is this? Small letter.
Small letter A.
Good job. What's the sound of letter A?
Small letter A.
The sound. What's the sound?
A.
Good job. Not color, Miggy.
Yun na.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pa.
Ayoko to.
You can do it. Kaya mo yan. Good job. O, last one. Ito pa, dalawa pa. Dali, bubuksan na natin yung Kinder Joy. Okay.
Woohoo! I'm so wingy. It's so cute. Ang maganda ba ako, laki? Kaya ko na?
Yeah.
Paluuno na ako, no? Laki na ako. Mama, I want Kinder Joy.
Yes.
I
Ano
want
ka din Kinder Joy? Ganyan, right mo. 1,
Ako
2.
yung chocolate.
Okay.
Uno. Toy. Okay?
Dali.
Balik ni, you know, same. Balik. sa kanya. Tapos yung dalawa sa akin. Tsaka yung kay Miggy.
Oh, look at mama ha. Una, ito yung ginawa mo ha.
Huh?
Look at this. How do you write letter A? Again, trace. Trace. No. Without crayon. Trace. 1. Finger muna. Finger first. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Good job. How about the small letter A? How do you trace the small letter A? How do you trace the small letter A? 1, 2.
1, 2.
No. 1, 2. See it from here. 1.
1, 2.
Arrow down. 2.
2.
1, 2. Again. 1,
Mama, mo ako.
2. Good job.
2.
What letter is this? Small letter.
Small letter A.
What's the sound of small letter A?
B. A.
Ah, how about this one? This is
Letter A.
letter A. What's the sound of letter A?
Ba.
Ah,
A.
like apple.
Apple A.
This one, what's this again?
A.
How about this one?
Crocodile.
No, it's an alligator. Oh. Right. Right, dali. Mabubuksan mo na yung ano.
Huh?
Open mo na yung Kinder Joy. Oh. See ha, look at this ha. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Uno, Miggy, kami. Ikaw naman. Wow, galing ni Miggy. Tapos niya na yung... Mamaya yan. Dito ka, dito ka. Kami yan.
Kami na